Let me give you a general orientation to the software sites we'll be using in the course to get you off to a good start so you can utilize these resources most efficiently. And then here from the Canvas area, over here is stuff that's coming up that you should know about based on the calendar, assignments coming up, due dates coming up. Go ahead and click on your course, and then you'll notice that each of the classes has kind of a dashboard with icons and unit numbers. All of them have, pretty self-explanatory. The start area will have a list of tasks. Notice there's a task list that's numbered, and there's icons here. This icon is a handout. This is a video that is playing, that's going to play. There's a link icon. So each of these is they're also color-coded. You'll notice that assignments are in red, general tasks are in black. Here's a link to the World Wide Web. Discussion areas are in orange. That's where you need to post something and then reply, usually to other students. Notice there's also quizzes. For the quizzes, these are going to be, there's also an area here called quizzes. And you can see all the course quizzes. And what you want to do is check these due dates. So the due date here is not always accurate because sometimes I miss those. So if you see that this date is different than the actual due date in the quiz here, there's going to be a due date here, right here, due here. So let me know. I try to keep those the same, but really the label here is just to help you, get organized, but double check that due date. Now the assignments are always in red, as I mentioned. There's also a list of assignments here, but in the home page I also put in red, notice, a red icon, a list of assignments. So the first thing you want to do is check these assignments, check the due dates. The way that you're going to be submitting assignments is very, very important. Everything is submitted through here. Never send an email. I get lots of emails. You want to do it through this page. There'll usually be a submit button right here. You'll notice that I've logged in as a student to show you what you will see on these assignment pages. So go ahead and read through the requirements, and then when you're ready, click on the Submit Assignment button. And then once you do that, notice on the bottom here, you'll have a variety of ways to submit your work. You can upload a file from your computer, from Dropbox, which I really recommend that you use, or there may be another comments box where you can actually type in some stuff, or you can upload, put a link. There's others that require a link. So depending on the assignment, here will be the options for submitting that assignment. But it's crucial that you use this page and not email me things. Now you can also view this course on a mobile device, such as a phone or a tablet. And you'll notice that when you squeeze this in, you'll just get a big long column. But I think the most useful way to use this on a phone is to go into module view right here, modules. Notice there's an alternate module list view here as well. So if you get that on your phone, you can click on that link, and that gives you this really handy kind of modular layout that lets you basically access everything from a single column on your phone. So this is a convenient way to actually access the course materials anywhere from any time. Now, a lot of the courses will have videos in them, so let me kind of give you a primer on how to deal with the videos. So as you'll notice, all the videos are in green. So if you click on one of these green links, there's also an icon of a film strip. Click on the link, and that'll bring up a little picture, a little window of the video. And that might not be big enough, but if you just click on this icon right here, that'll bring it into full screen, and then you can scroll through. You can pause, rewind, watch these as many times as you want. So that's the important part of the class. To get out of this full screen view, just press the escape key, right? And that'll take you out to this view here. Now there's also many courses in here. Many courses will have a link to an actual different website. So let me show you that too. That has a collection of videos. Those are called short courses. So you click on that. Notice it's going to take you to another website. This is my personal website. It takes you to a specific course. Now the first time you access one of these courses, you may get to this page where you can choose the mini course you want. And the first time you click on that, it's going to ask you to, they're all free, but it'll ask you to enroll. You only need to do this once. So you click on the Enroll button and go ahead and fill out your email address, confirm your email address, and then password, and then just click on the Enroll Now. And then what that'll do is that'll take you to this page here where you can then click on the Get Started button. And then all these are composed of mostly videos with some lesson content and some links. So these are really useful for figuring out what's in this video, and if you ever need to go back and review stuff, you can see, okay, at 6:15 I'm installing the database. So you just go here to 6:15, something like that, right? And that's going to be where you can install the database. Now here, like in the other one, you can maximize these videos, so you can see the whole thing. And then again, hit the escape key to get out. Now, when you're done with the lesson, it's important. The reason I did these is that there's usually multiple lessons, and what I like about this system is you can mark this lesson as complete. You can also go back to the previous lesson or the next lesson. And what's kind of nice is as you mark these complete, notice that up here it tells you how far you've progressed in this mini course. It also has a little interface on the left. See, this is much better than Canvas. That's why I use this for as much of the material as possible. It not only tells you which ones you've finished right here, it puts an X, puts a line across it and grays it out. So you always kind of know where you are. So you can go through here. The important thing is that though you need to go in and click on Mark Complete. And then notice that marks this one as complete and then increases your progress. So I think this is a really nice interface. They're pretty much all the same. There's a link to all the lessons on the left, videos on the right, maximize button there, and then a handy go to next lesson, and then mark as complete. Now, last but not least is how you contact other students, or more importantly, perhaps your instructor. So you can click on this icon here to bring up an inbox where you can then target the class that you want. You can create a new right here, create a new message, and then you can select the course from the drop-down menu here. Or, perhaps more conveniently, from within a course, you just go to the People link right here, and that takes you to all the people in the class, and then you can just simply click on the name. And I think that's because that's me, I can't email, but let's say I wanted to email this student here. I just click on that little icon. So click on my name or anyone's name and then click on the little icon there, and that'll bring up a send message box that you can then go ahead and email. So it's very important that you stay in touch with me. If you're going to miss a class or if you're going to be gone and you're not going to be posting things for a while, just shoot me an email, let me know. I'll use the mailing list to contact you if I'm going to miss or if something is coming up or there's a mistake or some notice that I need to let you know.